Hello and welcome back, viewers. Have you ever wished you could buy gold cheaper than everyone else? I know I have. Imagine getting gold in India at a lower price. It sounds good, right? But is it really possible? For individuals, unfortunately, the answer is no. However, Indian importers can legally purchase gold at a reduced cost thanks to the India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, also known as India-UAE CEPA. Under this trade agreement, gold imported from the UAE enjoys lower import duties, making it cheaper compared to the gold sourced from other countries. In today's video, we'll break down what is the India-UAE CEPA trade agreement, how does it benefit gold importers, the step-by-step process to obtain a TRQ license under CEPA. So if you are curious about how this works, stay tuned and let's get started. What is India-UAE CEPA scheme? The India-UAE CEPA is a trade agreement between India and the UAE that came into effect on 1st of May 2022. It aims to boost trade and investment between the two countries by eliminating or reducing tariffs on over 80% of the goods, including gems and jewelry, textiles, pharmaceuticals, and technology. This trade agreement was launched to enhance market access for services and promote bilateral economic cooperation. Now, for the main question, how much can you save? The most important benefit of importing gold under India-UAE CEPA agreement is a 1% duty concession for up to 200 tons of gold imported annually. Since gold attracts high import duties in India, even a small reduction makes a significant difference in pricing. And how can you claim this benefit? Simple. By obtaining a TRQ license, that is Tariff Rate Quota license, under the India-UAE CEPA trade agreement. Who is eligible to apply for TRQ license to import gold under India-UAE CEPA? Currently, importers who have a history of business in the line of manufacturing or trading of gold and gold jewelry can apply for TRQ license under India-UAE CEPA. As per the latest DGFT Trade Notice number 30/2024-25 dated 12th February 2025, all importers applying for TRQ under India-UAE CEPA have to submit their purpose of import, that is, whether they are importing for manufacturing purpose, trading, or both. In addition to this, the applicants also have to submit their turnovers in the preceding 3 financial years relating to gold and gold jewelry. Now, what are the forms of gold allowed to be imported under India-UAE CEPA? The types of gold allowed to be imported include gold powder, gold bars, gold coins, gold bullions, gold jewelry as per the chart shown on your screen. What is the procedure to obtain TRQ license under India-UAE CEPA trade agreement? Apply for TRQ license under India-UAE CEPA. You can apply for the TRQ license with all the necessary documents to the DGFT. An applicant must apply for the TRQ within 20th of February of any year to secure an allocation for the next financial year. The minimum quantity that an applicant can apply for is 5 kgs and is subject to downward revisions in case the number of applicants is more. The allocations will be done in multiples of 5 kg and shall be less than or equal to the quantity applied by the applicant. It is to be noted that an applicant cannot import gold under India-UAE CEPA directly, but has to import it through either banks which are nominated by RBI, or through DGFT nominated agencies, or through qualified jewelers as notified by IFSCA. The name of the agency through which the applicant is importing has to be mentioned in the application along with its IC code. In addition to this, there will be a 6-monthly review conducted, and if a TRQ holder utilizes less than or equal to 25% of the allocation, then 50% of the balance will be deducted from the applicant's allocation and shall be distributed to other applicants. Now, what are the documents required to obtain TRQ license under India-UAE CEPA? It includes item description with technical specifications including ITC-HS code, country of origin of the product to be imported, quantity with measuring units, CIF value in INR, port of registration, purpose of import, that is, whether the gold is being imported for actual use, trading, manufacturing, or both, or other purposes is to be declared. Import license history including the HSM code, item description, and corresponding import license numbers of the said imports made by the same importer in the preceding 3 financial years. Valid IEC, RCMC if applicable, industrial license, Udyam registration is very essential. certificate of origin of the product that is being imported is also very important. Import invoice pre-purchase agreement with the nominated agency, and lastly, as per the latest DGFT trade notice 30/2024-25 dated 12 February 2025, a CA certified turnover details pertaining to gold sold or gold jewelry manufactured based on the applicant's GST details will be required to be submitted to avail the India-UAE CEPA gold import benefit. And lastly, how can we as consultants help you here? We at AV International are India's leading DGFT and customs consultants having our expertise in applying for TRQ licenses. We provide end-to-end TRQ licenses services that include documentation, application, follow-ups, answering deficiencies, and thereby obtaining TRQ licenses on your behalf. Not just India-UAE CEPA, but we can help you apply for TRQ licenses across all the treaties including India-Sri Lanka Trade Agreement, India-Mercosur Trade Agreement, India-Mauritius CEPA, and many more. We have an avid experience of working with more than 1,000 plus companies for such licenses. For more information about our company, I would request you to please visit our website www.abigroup.in. If you like our content and find it valuable, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Thanks a lot.